Blood is a specialized fluid connective tissue that contains cells suspended in a fluid matrix. Blood is made up of 46 to 63% of plasma, which contains water, plasma proteins, and other solutes, such as organic nutrients, electrolytes, and organic waste. The rest is made up of formed elements, which include red blood cells, white blood cells, and platelets. The function of blood is to transport dissolved gases, nutrients, hormones, and metabolic waste. It is also used for regulating the pH and ion composition of interstitial fluids and defending against toxins and pathogens. You can see on the screen there are several blood types. Your blood type is determined by the presence or absence of specific surface antigens. Antigens are substances that can trigger a protective defense mechanism called an immune response. Most antigens are proteins, although there are organic molecules that are called antigens as well. Your plasma membrane contains surface antigens, which are substances that your immune system recognizes as normal. In other words, your immune system ignores the substance that it does not recognize instead of attacking them as foreign. Based on red blood cell surface antigens, there are 4 blood types. For example, in type A blood, the surface antigen presented is A, which means your plasma contains anti-B antibodies, which will attack type B surface antigens. For type B, the surface antigen is B, which plasma contains anti-A antibodies, which will attack type A surface antigens. For type A and B, the surface antigen is a little different due to it having both A and B surface antigens. The plasma will have neither anti-A nor anti-B antibodies. For the last blood type, which is type O, the red blood cells are lacking both A and B surface antigens, which means it will contain both anti-A and anti-B antibodies. When determining the blood types, the term Rh indicates the presence of the surface antigens, which is commonly called the Rh factor. The absence of antigens is called Rh negative. When the blood type is then determined, the term Rh is usually omitted and a negative or positive sign is used. Agglutinogens are surface antigens that ignore our immune system. Furthermore, plasma contains antibodies, which are sometimes called agglutinins, that will attack the antigens on foreign red blood cells. When this occurs, the foreign cells then agglutinate or clump together, which then this process is called agglutination. You can see on the screen, these are the different types of blood people can receive as well as donate. For instance, you can see that O negative is a universal donor due to its compatibility with all the different blood types. The universal recipient in blood types is blood A and B, because it can receive from any blood type. Throughout the chart, you will then realize the pattern in which blood is received as well as it is donating.